This lesson is brought to you by learningarabicwithangela.com. In this lesson, you will learn all about the differential alif or al-alif al-Farika, which you might have already seen at the end of some words in Arabic. The first thing that you need to know is that the differential alif or al-alif al-Farika always comes along with a friend, the wow letter, just for a wow impression. The second thing that you need to know is that the wow and alif suffix always come with a verb, never with a noun. And that verb is typically conjugated for the pronouns hum or antum, that is only in the plural, and that wow is called the wow of the plural pronoun, أو واو الجماعة. You can say that the waw and alif love a crowd. For example, هم كتبوا, they wrote. Or for أنتم, لا تكتبوا, don't write. The third thing that you need to know is that the differential alif or al-alif al-Farika is used to differentiate between the original waw of a verb and the attached personal pronoun waw al-jama'a or waw of the plural, such as when we say أنا أدعو, I supplicate, نحن ندعو, هو يدعو. The waw over here is not a pronoun. It's actually one of the three root letters of the verb. دعا يدعو. Same thing with رجا يرجو, أنا أرجو, نحن نرجو, هو يرجو. The waw over here is an original waw which belongs to the verb and it's not a personal pronoun. Remember when I told you that the waw and alif suffix always come with a verb and never a noun? Well, the second reason that we use al-alif al-Farika or the differential alif is to differentiate between the attached personal pronoun waw of the plural or waw al-jama'a, which only attaches to a verb, and the waw of the sound masculine plural, waw جمع المذكر السالم. For example, معلمون plus المدرسة, we want to say the school's teachers. In an إضافة construction, we have to drop the noon, it becomes معلمو المدرسة. معلمو المدرسة. Notice that we do not add an alif, because that would completely be wrong. So it's always without an alif, because معلمون is a noun in this case, and it's not a verb. Now let's work with some examples. The verb استيقظ, verb to wake up. In the past tense conjugated for هم استيقظوا. In the imperative conjugated for أنتم استيقظوا. Now the verb تناول, such as تناول الفطور, to have breakfast. هم تناولوا. أنتم تناولوا. The verb ذهب, verb to go. هم ذهبوا. أنتم اذهبوا. Now imagine that you have 3 kids, Muhammad, Ahmad and Salim. They woke up early, they had breakfast and went to school. They are now studying in school and the school teachers are happy with them. You're going to turn around then and address your 3 other kids who didn't wake up early, and you're going to ask them, commanding, wake up early, have your breakfast and go to school. So freeze the screen, pause, take your time and answer the question. The answer is going to be as follows. هم استيقظوا باكرا وتناولوا الفطور وذهبوا إلى المدرسة. هم الآن يدرسون في المدرسة. معلمو المدرسة سعداء بهم. أنتم استيقظوا باكرا وتناولوا الفطور واذهبوا إلى المدرسة. So as you have noticed, we use the واو ألف suffix only when we're conjugating for هم in the past tense in this case and for أنتم in the imperative. And when we are using the noun معلمون in the sound masculine plural, we use only the واو of the masculine plural without the alif when we're annexing المدرسة. So معلمو المدرسة without the alif. شكرا للمتابعة.